In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Outlook error, contacting the server for information. This is a very common issue that can prevent emails from loading properly, syncing, or even opening messages, and it can be incredibly frustrating when you rely on Outlook for work or personal communication. The good news is that in most cases, this error can be fixed with a few simple steps. I'll walk you through everything step by step, so make sure to watch until the end. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software fixes and tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, let's begin with the most basic but important checks. Start by completely closing Outlook and then reopening it. Sometimes Outlook just needs a fresh restart to re-establish the connection with the server. While you're doing this, also make sure your internet connection is stable. Try opening a website in your browser to confirm that your connection is working properly. If Outlook doesn't have a reliable internet connection, it won't be able to contact the server. Next, make sure Outlook is not set to work offline mode. In Outlook, look at the bottom right corner of the window. If you see a message that says working offline, this means Outlook is disconnected from the server. To fix this, go to the Send Receive tab at the top and click on Work Offline to disable it. Once that's turned off, Outlook should try to reconnect to the server automatically. Now let's move on to a setting that often causes this error without people realizing it. In Outlook, click on File, then go to Options. From there, select Trust Center and click on Trust Center Settings. Inside the Trust Center, look for settings related to downloading content. Make sure that the option labeled Do Not Download Pictures Automatically is disabled. When this setting is enabled, Outlook can sometimes block content in a way that triggers server communication errors. After disabling it, click OK to save the changes and restart Outlook. Next, we're going to adjust a junk email setting that can also interfere with how Outlook communicates with the server. Go back to Outlook Options, then click on Mail. Scroll down until you find the Junk Email section. Here, look for the option that says Block attachments, pictures, and links from anyone not in my safe senders and domains list. If this box is checked, uncheck it. This setting can sometimes be too aggressive and cause Outlook to fail when trying to retrieve information from the server. Click OK to apply the change, and once again, restart Outlook to make sure the setting takes effect. If you're still seeing the error after these steps, the most effective solution is usually repairing Microsoft Office. To do this, open the Control panel on your computer and go to Programs, then Programs and Features. In the list of installed programs, locate Microsoft Office or Microsoft 365. Click on it once, then select Change at the top. You'll now see Repair options. Choose Repair, and then select either Quick Repair or Online Repair. Quick Repair is faster and doesn't require an internet connection, while Online Repair is more thorough and can fix deeper issues, but it takes longer and requires a stable connection. Start the repair process and wait for it to finish. This can take several minutes, so be patient. Once the repair is complete, you may be prompted to restart your computer. If so, make sure you do that. After your system restarts, open Outlook again and check if the error contacting the server for information is gone. In most cases, this repair step completely resolves the issue. And that's it. By restarting Outlook, checking your connection, adjusting Trust Center and junk email settings, and repairing Microsoft Office, you should be able to fix the Outlook error contacting the server for information. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple and effective software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.